Happy birthday, Pauline! More birthdays to celebrate. We love you and see you soon. Mwah!
Birthday, Pauline, from Uncle Paolo in the UK.
7th birthday, Pauline. Enjoy your birthday. Have a lovely time. From Lola Emme in the UK. Bye.
Happy 7th birthday, Pauline, from Uncle NJ.
Happy 7th birthday, Pauline. Enjoy your day. God bless. Yoo-hoo! Hi! Jimmy, hi! Hi, guys!
Happy 7th birthday, Pauline. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. We miss you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Pauline. Love you.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Pauline.
Happy birthday, Pauline.
Birthday, Pauline. Basa ka nga nalaing. We love you.
Happy birthday, Pauline. We love you. We miss you.
Hi, Pauline! Happy 7th birthday!
Happy birthday, Pauline. Happy 7th birthday, Pauline. We love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Pauline!
Happy birthday, Ate Pauline.
Hi, Pauline. Happy 7th birthday. Know that Tita is always proud of you, and I hope to see you again soon. I miss you so much, and stay safe and stay healthy. Wish you all the best.
Hi, Pauline! Happy birthday! Wishing you many years of good health and prosperity in life. Love lots!
Birthday, Pauline. We love you and we miss you. Enjoy your special day.
Birthday, Pauline! Stay as sweet as you are. Be humble. Have a fabulous birthday. We love you. See you.
Happy 7th birthday, Pauline. We miss you.
Birthday, Janja. Enjoy your day, Apo. Miss you. Love you.
Birthday, Ate Pauline! Naibang mo na. Happy birthday, Ate Pauline!
Birthday, Pauline.
More birthdays to come. Good health.
Okay.
See you soon. Ate, kani kita mani. We love you.
Papa Channel.
Bye-bye, ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pauline. Agawin ka.